So you want to make this beautiful slice for your objects, but you don't know how. Then let me show you. First of all, go to Edit, Preferences, then search the Bool tool add-on and make sure it is enabled. Now create a cutter object and put it somewhere you want the slice to be. Now first select your cutter object and hold shift and select your main object. Then press Ctrl then minus to add a difference boolean. Now select your cutter object and add a solidify modifier and a bevel modifier. So in the solidify modifier, with the thickness you can change the gap between the two objects, and in the bevel modifier with the segments you can make it more cool. Now add a mirror modifier to add the same cut to the bottom of the object, then change the axis to Z axis. For the mirror object, select the main object and make sure the mirror modifier is on the top of the two modifiers. Now do the same for the other cutter object. Then apply the mirror modifier for all cutter objects. Now select the cutter objects, then press Ctrl J to make all the cutter objects into one object. So today you learn a new tip. Make sure you subscribe to get more Blender tips.